Schwarzenegger began weightlifting at his age of 15. He won Mr. Universe at his age of 20 and went on a winning streak on Mr. Olympia and won 7 times. He remained a promising presence in the bodybuilding career. He has written some books and magazines. In 1984, he has acted in James Cameron's movie The Terminator, which was the massive and critical box office success. He acted in some movies also, like The Running Man, True Lies, Conan the Barbarian, and also. He won Mr. Olympia 7 times and Mr. Universe 4 times. In 1969, he won amateur bodybuilding champion winner. In 1977, a Golden Globe Award winner, VVA Hall of Fame, International Hall of Fame, and star on Hollywood's Walk of Fame.